after 457 miles, but it's not all fun and games. I'm using a normal house knife because I don't even have a razor knife.
Do you want me to hold your phone so it doesn't...
Just think about it, we're eating half a cake right now.
Yeah.
Do you rate this as one of the most beautiful rest stops you've ever been in?
Yeah, this is one of the nicest rest stops I think I've ever been in my life. So especially with this view. I mean, this view is incredible. I woke up this morning and came outside and just kind of squeaking my eyes, like, am I really seeing what I'm seeing? Like,
Probably around 10:30 or so, we pulled off to a rest stop, and it is probably one of the prettiest rest stops I've ever seen. It looks super new, very clean, beautiful landscaping. We had some breakfast, and now we're on our way out. Zion National Park had been on my bucket list forever. I grew up in California, so it was basically just a long bathroom break away. Somehow, school or work always popped up like a nosy neighbor saying,
Not today, friend.
I'd heard all the hype. Towering red rocks, epic hikes, and views that make your jaw drop. So when the stars finally aligned, I was beyond stoked. The drive out there felt more like opening credits of an epic family road trip, minus the dramatic music and slow motion shots. We were heading to a sweet little spot on BLM land. Because what's better than gorgeous scenery? Gorgeous free scenery. Free is our love language. My parents were meeting us there at the travel trailer, a rig they picked up a few years back to upgrade from roughing it to glamping. Think of it as their mobile camping castle on wheels. Ta-da! I like it.
good morning. After 457 miles with the driving over the last 2 days, we're now in the Springdale, Utah area. We found our place next to a little riverbed, but it's not all fun and games. Before we left, we got our new water heater. We're going to install that. This will be my first time ever installing one. We'll see how easy it is and we'll let you know at the same time. Let's get on with this. Let's open this baby up and see what we're dealing with. Yes, I am using a normal house knife because I don't even have a razor knife. Some polystyrene insulation.
That's hilarious. I'm like, oh, come over here and help. I'm putting hair oil on right now, so my hands are even slippery.
So far, it doesn't look like there's very much to actually undo from the old one. 8 mounting screws on this box. It's just pretty standard issue connectors. Everything else looks really normal. Originally, I thought they were just gonna give us the part inside to fix, but they gave us the whole unit, which is easier? Question mark? Sometimes when you don't revisit your tools very often because you're living the high life, you find out that you need a tool and you didn't think you had it, but we do.
Yeah. Would that be tiny enough?
Yeah.
Should be, yeah.
Yeah, we had a couple of Allens in the house that needed a little tightening, and I didn't think we had Allen wrenches.
These things are amazing on your shins, huh?
Amazing. This water that we're seeing right here is from back building in the hot water line. This line has a valve which feeds the hot water heater. There's no water that could actually ever get in there.
Ready to pull it out? Or
Yeah.
Did you mark them?
Nope, not yet. You're gonna do that. I'm gonna pull it out here, and so we're gonna name this blue 1. All right. Old 1, which means parts.
Generator's so loud.
Yeah.
Holy crap, I'm glad we have solar. That would drive me crazy. Crazy, I say. At least the colors on the wires are still the same. Close up B-roll. Oh, there you go.
Okay, go ahead and grab. This is going relatively smooth so far. Now we have Action Katie going in to rescue the wires.
I caught me left-footed. You got it?
You're good.
You have a good one?
Oh, yeah.
So the other two fittings you just do hand tight, and then the gas you do tight, tight, tight.
Yeah. So I was double checking to make sure that the valves were off on the tank. I looked at the meter on the tanks to see how much propane was left, and it was in the red. And my first instant thought was, how are we empty? The tanks are off, you dummy.
Oh, gotcha. I'm afraid, dude.
It's not pressurized or anything. We just want to know if there's water that comes up.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, good. We need to flip the power in the coach. You got power?
I don't think so.
Oh,
What'd you do?
my own dummy ding dong.
Did you
fault.
turn off the solar stuff too?
I turned off the front.
Okay, let me change the cameras.
I always get so panicky that I turned off the front power for the battery.
Well, that's good. I'd rather you be paranoid and we have moments like this than us getting electrocuted. So.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, now it's on.
Give the hot water handle in the sink a try. Oh, is the water pump on?
Probably not. Is that important?
You should have hot water coming.
Yep, it's
Cool.
warm.
Awesome. You drinking hot water?
And I was just fucking thirsty. I was feeling dizzy.
Well, that was it. That was pretty easy. Now we'll put it all back together and just enjoy a nice hot shower later on. Even though it'll probably be 87 degrees today. We'll figure it out. The trailer's so cool looking.
Right? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yay!
Yeah, this used to be the microwave.
Oh, I see.
So now we got a lot more storage. But
My question is, why isn't it teal? Why'd you paint it that color?
because we have enough. And see this? See this? Yeah, because this is the regular color.
Gotcha.
But yeah, we had to
like
make a
it.
new table too. Got a teal door though.
I like the
Got a
table.
teal smash your head trick.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, here you
Move over here.
You want to get a better picture, Mo?
Does that move? Did they say?
Move it.
8 babies right here. Bye.
We were surrounded. It was very dangerous.
Yeah, 2 of them. They were doing the headbutt thing to each other. It was cute.
Butt heads.
Well, one was butting everyone until someone would play with him. That was the reality.
I guess that's the way you kind of knock at your neighbor's door when you're a cow, is you just bump heads and it's like, hey,
Play with me.
wanna play?
Hey.
Today marks the first day that we're gonna go hike up in Zion.
Zion! Zion National Park. What pops into your head? Breathtaking canyon views? Bucket list hikes? Maybe a montage of fit girls in yoga pants, staring soulfully into a sunrise like they're solving the meaning of life. Sure, I could read you the Wikipedia page. Toss in some poetic rambling about how I'm a changed person and nature has spoken to my soul. The Narrows, here we come. But I won't. You're welcome. What I will say is we had an awesome time. The hikes were gorgeous and nature was next level. The vibes were vibing. It was, however, a bit more crowded than we expected. Oh God!
What is that? Can I eat it? What's his name?
Chipper, the rock squirrels here, suspiciously adorable, like crazy level cute. Don't be fooled. There are signs everywhere begging you to not feed them. Why? Because these little snack bandits carry Yersinia pestis. Yep, the plague. Like, the plague. So maybe don't share your granola bar with them unless you're cool with a historical reenactment of medieval Europe. All in all, Zion was a total blast. We hiked, we laughed, we dodged plague squirrels, and we made memories that will keep forever. So if you're into hiking with a few thousand of your closest strangers, Zion is your jam.
All right, so we just went to the upper pools, and then the lower pools, which is what we're passing right now. But on our way up here, they said that the bridge to go this way and get back to the bus area was closed. So we're taking a shot on being able to cross the river. Maybe hop across some rocks, find a tree that's fallen over, or worst case scenario,
Grab a vine like Tarzan.
Watch out for that tree!
Worst case scenario, we walk across the water. It's 30 degrees. The drama. The drama! Alright, we're here at the river. Doesn't look promising. Craig scouted ahead. He found it looked like a sandbar just a bit under the water. So we're gonna pull our shoes off, walk across the cold river. Well, Susan's going for it.
What are you gonna do, step in the sea or something? No.
Could carry me if you really need to carry somebody.
We weigh the same?
Let's go.
You gotta get rid of the backpack though.
Do you want me to hold your phone so it doesn't... Oh my god. Yep, those two goofballs right there, that's my boyfriend and my dad. Please take a moment to count your blessings. You don't have to be seen in public with them. I do, frequently. It's character building. But honestly, it's a blast around here. Not just because of these two lovable knuckleheads, though they do provide endless entertainment, but because our whole family is on a mission to squeeze every drop of fun out of life. Sure, we're human, plans fall apart, someone forgets a sunscreen, and occasionally someone tries to fix something with duct tape and positive energy. But at the end of the day, if we're laughing, we're winning. Life's messy. Might as well make it hilarious.
For the second show. Baby, oh baby.
That's what we do when we're hiking and we're bored.
Are you making the cake?
Yeah.
Got eggs in there?
Eggs, water, oil.
It doesn't say how many coals you need on here. And you just put it in parchment paper in here?
Yeah. We made pumpkin pie, we made apple pie, pineapple upside down cake, chocolate cake, brownies. Half of those times have been a chocolate cake. But it wasn't as hard as it sounds.
That's nice. Can't really see anything. We put it in parchment paper.
Oh.
I was imagining like just strips of it so you could pull it out, but it's like really just a...
That's it.
Ta-da! It's ready if you're ready. So we got coals. Doing coal stuff. Positive one.
Woo! You get your patented electrical snake handle. 8, 9, 10. Ready to go. 11.
So how long should it take to bake?
40 minutes. We usually kind of spin it and then check it with a stick.
Okay. That's about the same as a regular oven, right?
Most of the time it works out.
So we'll check back in a little bit after sunset. See if we have delicious cake yet. Still gooey?
Still
Oh,
gooey.
still gooey.
Daddy, the unveiling. That was like the loudest chipmunk I've ever heard.
Beautiful, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Well, super fluffy. I feel like it's a souffle or something.
It's so fluffy though, right?
Yeah.
Super moist.
So I don't like it.
No, this whole piece here is yours.
Just think about it. We're
yourself.
eating half a cake right now.
Yeah.